Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on Zoom. I had some questions about it in the room today, so I was under the assumption that maybe there are some other people that are wondering if we have any support. We did break through a support zone that I had. Somewhere up in here, I can't remember exactly where it was, but I did find a few other levels of support, but it will be a counter trend trade because we are below the 50 and the 5 and the 13 are on a sell. We are still above the 200 though. So I have these three support zones for you: 333.49 to 335.50. 317.12 to 317.61 and 287.28 to 294.03. I can't make a target for you yet because I need a bounce from this low right here. I need it to find a bottom and start heading back up so I can do resistance and targets on the way up. But if you do pop into the Fibonacci room, you can request it there and I am able to give that to you. All right, everybody, I hope you have a very, very happy new year, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.